Hi, my name is Megan Hawkins, and I am a teacher at Shoals Community School Corporation. And this is my fun fact about me. This is my second year of teaching, and I just want to say thank you for giving us the opportunity to apply for the Infy Maker Award contest. We are the perfect school. We're a small rural town school with approximately 750 students, but that's pre-K to high school. And one unique thing is we're all in one building. So talk about the collaboration between our elementary students and our high school students. It's a neat experience being able to see the high school students mentor the elementary students and what the elementary students take away from what they learned about the high school students. So that's one unique thing about our school, but we are so excited about the possibilities that this grant could give us. We have a fabrication lab that we would love to expand on, whether that's providing materials for our laser engraver, 3D printer, just giving the teachers more of an option of the things that they could do for their projects. We would love to get another 3D printer, and so this would give us the opportunity to do that as well. We also have an upcoming drone program, so I know that this would be awesome, using those drones with our ag program as well. Just thank you again for the opportunity, and I hope you accept our application.